Hey there, Andrew Uy here. I'll be showing you how I sim sealed my 40-liter pack, which I bought it from Superior Wilderness Design. It is a frameless pack, so I'm showing you how I sim seal it later on. Okay. By the way, X-Pack is a waterproof fabric, but the pack itself is not waterproof because the seams are not taped or sealed. That is why in this video I'll be sim sealing my pack. Yeah! First thing you have to do is you have to pull your pack inside out. Like this. Make sure you see every seam. You have to seal this one in order for the water won't get in. So your gear won't be leaking. Okay. Inside out. The materials needed are silicone sealant, turpentine, 1-inch foam brush, and a container. My advice, be sure to put on clothes or pillows inside the pack just to be fluffy enough for your seam sealing procedure would be very easy. It's time to seam seal my pack. After a few minutes of applying the sim sealer, it's finally done. I'm gonna air dry it in a few days and I'll check it out if it works or not. So I hope this helps. Please do share, subscribe, and like my video. As always, thank you for watching.